Hello friends, do you looking for high quality laptop? Please see this video till the end, I hope you don't disappointed. This is CHUWI official 12-inch CHUWI High 12 tablet PC Intel Atom Z8350 Windows 10 and Android 5.1 Dual OS. Specifications. Brand, CHUWI. Model, High 12. OS, Windows 10 and Android 5.1. CPU, Intel Atom Cherry Trail Z8350. Core, quad-core 1.44 GHz 1.84 GHz, max to 1.92 GHz. Storage. RAM, 4 GB DDR3L. ROM, 64 GB SIM. TF card, up to 128 GB not include. Display type, IPS, capacitive, 10-point. Screen size, 12-inch. Resolution, 2160 by 1440. Network, 3G, external 3G with USB dongle, not included. LAN, 802.11b, G, and wireless internet 2.4 GHz. Bluetooth yes. 4.0. Camera type, dual cameras, one front one back. Front camera, 2.0 MP. Back camera, 2.0 MP. Connectivity. TF card slot, yes. Type-C, yes. Micro USB, yes. Micro HDMI, yes. Docking port, yes. 3.5. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like, comment and share.